Welcome to CVS Windows and Siding. Today we're going to be giving you 5 reasons to get vinyl siding right now. Before we get into this video, we want to give you an invitation to like and subscribe our channel so you never miss a beat. Okay, let's get into it. Vinyl siding is beautiful. Vinyl siding has evolved from a practical choice to one of unmatched beauty. Homeowners can now choose from a wide variety of beautiful colors, styles, and textures. Customizing your ideal exterior of your home by mixing and matching is now easier than ever. Vinyl siding can last a lifetime. Vinyl siding is as tough as it is beautiful. Fade-resistant finishes, scratch-resistant colors, and locking technology to keep panels tightly affixed, making vinyl siding the smart choice in nearly any climate or condition. Vinyl siding is maintenance-free. Okay, so you love the look of wood siding, but to keep that looking fresh, you have to paint, scrape, replace rotted wood, and fight insects. That takes time and that takes money. Even if you choose brick or cement or another exterior product, you'll have to pay to maintain that, or pay to maintain to have someone do it for you. Vinyl siding is just a smart alternative to install and forget about it. The only maintenance needed is to hose it off now and again when it becomes dirty. That's it. It's as simple as it gets. Vinyl siding is energy efficient. Did you know that vinyl siding can reduce your heating and cooling costs? When properly installed, you can pair your vinyl siding with new energy-efficient doors, window, trim, and ventilation, and together they will reduce your bills even more. Your budget and your HVAC will thank you. Vinyl siding is a step towards going green. When you forgo painting, filling, chalking, fewer chemicals are released into the environment. Just washing and a paintbrush creates waste. Choosing vinyl siding and reducing your carbon footprint is a great step in the green way. Take it further by going with a manufacturer who manufactures responsibly, using eco-friendly packaging. And did you know that vinyl siding, door, and window products are recognized by the National Association of Home Builders as green approved, meaning that they have been third-party certified? If you're looking for green approved, eco-friendly, energy-efficient products, going green and choosing vinyl siding makes all the difference. Thank you so much for watching CVS Windows and Siding. Take a second right now if you liked this video to like and subscribe so you never miss a beat on what's coming next. Give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram and we'll be sure to see you soon.